everyone. Welcome back to Alex and Darcy, Real English.
Hi. We are so happy you are here today.
I'm Alex. I'm a teacher from Canada.
And I'm Darcy. I'm a student from the USA.
How are you today, Darcy?
I'm good. I had a busy morning. What about you, Alex?
I'm great, thanks. I woke up late today. Buddy didn't let me sleep.
Oh no, Buddy is your dog, right?
Yes, he woke me up at 6 in the morning. He was very excited.
Dogs are the best alarm clocks.
They really are. Okay, so today we have a great topic.
Yes, today we talk about daily routines.
A daily routine is what you do every day. Your morning, your afternoon, your evening.
This is so important for English learners.
Yes, you will use these phrases every day in conversations, at work, with friends.
So let's start. But first,
If you like this podcast, please subscribe to our channel.
and leave us a comment. We love reading your messages.
Tell us your daily routine in the comments. We will read them.
Okay, let's go.
So, what is a daily routine?
A daily routine is everything you do in a normal day.
For example, wake up, eat breakfast, go to work.
Or wake up, drink coffee, feed your cat.
Yes, every person has a different routine.
And in English, we talk about routines a lot. People ask, what time do you wake up? Or what do you do in the morning?
These are very common questions. You need to know how to answer them.
So today, we will practice together.
We will talk about our real routines, step by step.
And you can practice with us. Ready?
Let's do it.
Okay, let's start with the morning. What time do you wake up, Darcy?
I usually wake up at 7:30. What about you?
I wake up at 6:30, but today was earlier. Thanks, buddy.
Do you use an alarm clock?
Yes, I do. I set my alarm for 6:30 every day, but Buddy usually wakes me up first.
I use my phone as an alarm. I put it far from my bed.
Why far from your bed?
Because if it's close, I just turn it off and sleep more.
That's a great idea. I should try that.
Do you feel good in the morning, Alex?
Not always. I need some time. I'm not a morning person.
Me too. I'm very slow in the morning.
But after coffee, I feel much better.
Yes, coffee is very important.
So, let's review. I wake up at 6:30. Darcy wakes up at 7:30.
Alex uses an alarm and has a dog. I use my phone and put it far away.
Key phrase. I wake up at. Try to say your time now. Okay. After you wake up, what do you do first?
First, I check my phone. I know.
That's very common. I do the same.
Then I wash my face. I drink a big glass of water.
That's healthy. Good for you, Darcy.
What do you do first, Alex?
First, I take Buddy outside. He needs a walk in the morning.
Every morning?
Every morning. Rain or sun. Dog life.
That's sweet. So you go outside before breakfast?
Yes. Then I come back, make coffee, and shower.
I shower in the morning too. It helps me wake up.
Me too. A cold shower is very good for energy.
Oh, I don't like cold showers. Mine is warm.
Fair enough. So, morning habits. I walk Buddy, make coffee, take a shower.
I check my phone, wash my face, drink water, take a shower.
Key phrase. First I, then I. Great for describing order.
Let's talk about breakfast. Do you eat breakfast, Alex?
Yes, always. Breakfast is very important to me.
What do you eat?
Usually eggs and toast, sometimes oatmeal. Simple food.
That sounds healthy. I eat something light.
Like what?
Usually yogurt and fruit, or just toast with butter.
Do you eat breakfast at home or somewhere else?
At home. I don't have time to go to a cafe in the morning.
Me too. I eat at home, at my kitchen table.
Do you eat alone or with someone?
Alone, but Buddy sits next to me. He watches me eat.
So cute. I eat alone too, with Mochi on my lap.
Mochi is your cat, right?
Yes, he always sits on me when I eat. He wants my food.
Cats are so funny. Okay, breakfast time. I eat eggs and toast at home with Buddy.
I eat yogurt and fruit at home with Mochi on my lap.
Key phrase. I usually eat blank for breakfast. Your turn. After breakfast, it's time to work or study. Darcy, what do you do?
I am a student, so I have classes. I usually start at 9 o'clock.
Do you go to university in person or online?
I have a mix. Some classes are in person, some are online at home.
That sounds flexible.
Yes, I like it. What about you, Alex? You're a teacher.
I teach English. I start work at 8:30 in the morning.
That's early.
Yes, I teach in the morning and afternoon. Then I have free time.
Do you work from home or go somewhere?
Sometimes both. I have online students and also local students.
That's cool. Do you like your job?
I love it. Helping people learn is very rewarding.
Smiles. That's beautiful, Alex.
Thank you. Okay, work and study time.
I start classes at 9, mix of online and in person.
I start teaching at 8:30, online and local students. Key phrase. I start work or school at blank. What time do you start?
Okay, it's lunchtime. What do you eat for lunch, Alex?
I usually eat at 12:30. I make a sandwich at home.
A sandwich? What kind?
Usually chicken or tuna with vegetables. Simple and fast.
I love tuna sandwiches. I eat lunch at around 1 o'clock.
At home or outside?
Sometimes on campus. There's a nice cafe near my classes.
Oh, nice. Do you eat with friends?
Yes, I often eat lunch with my classmates. We talk and relax.
That sounds fun. I usually eat alone at home. Quiet time.
You and Buddy?
Of course. Buddy always gets a little piece of my sandwich.
He's so lucky. Mochi gets nothing. He's on a diet.
Poor Mochi. Okay, lunch. I eat at 12:30. Sandwich at home with Buddy.
I eat at 1 o'clock, sometimes on campus with friends.
Key phrase. I usually have lunch at blank. Say yours. What do you do in the afternoon, Darcy?
I usually study or do homework. I go to the library sometimes.
Do you like studying in the library?
Yes, it's quiet. I focus better there. No Mochi distracting me.
Mochi sounds like a handful.
He is. He walks on my keyboard. It's a problem.
Okay, in my afternoon, I prep for lessons. I plan my classes.
That sounds like a lot of work.
Yes, but I enjoy it. I also take Buddy for a second walk.
You walk him twice a day?
Yes, morning and afternoon. He needs exercise, and so do I.
That's great. Do you exercise, Alex?
Yes, I try to walk every day. Sometimes I play basketball.
I like to draw in the afternoon. It helps me relax.
That's a great hobby. You're an artist.
A little bit. It makes me happy.
Great. Afternoon time. I plan lessons and walk Buddy. Sometimes basketball.
I study or go to the library. I draw to relax.
Key phrase. In the afternoon, I usually... What do you do? Okay, dinner time. What do you eat for dinner, Darcy?
I love cooking dinner. I usually make pasta. It's my favorite.
Pasta. Of course. You always talk about pasta.
I can't help it. Pasta is perfect. What do you make?
I usually make something simple. Grilled chicken or soup. Sometimes pizza.
Pizza. You love pizza.
I do. Friday is pizza night in my house.
That sounds like a great tradition. What time do you eat dinner?
Around 6 or 6:30. You?
I eat at 7, sometimes 7:30. I eat late.
After dinner, what do you do?
I read books. I love reading before bed. I feel calm after.
That's wonderful. I watch TV or listen to music. Rock music, mostly.
Classic Alex.
Yes, I like to relax in the evening. Quiet time. So, dinner. I eat at 6:30. Chicken, soup, or pizza on Fridays.
I eat at 7. I love pasta. I read books after dinner.
Key phrase. For dinner, I usually make. What's your favorite?
Almost done. Let's talk about bedtime. What time do you go to bed, Alex?
I go to bed at 10 or 10:30. I need 8 hours of sleep.
That's good. I go to bed later, around 11 or 11:30.
That's a little late. Do you feel tired in the morning?
Sometimes. That's why I need coffee.
Do you have a bedtime routine?
Yes, I wash my face, brush my teeth, read a few pages of my book.
That's a very good routine. I do the same. Plus, I walk Buddy one more time.
3 walks a day?
Yes, just a short one at night. He needs it.
You're a great dog owner, Alex.
Thank you. He's my best friend.
Aw, and Mochi sleeps in my bed every night.
That's sweet. Cats love warm places.
Yes, he sleeps on my feet. It's heavy.
Okay, bedtime. I go to bed at 10:30. Walk Buddy. Sleep 8 hours.
I go to bed at 11, read my book. Mochi sleeps on my feet.
Key phrase. I go to bed at early bird or night owl.
Great job, everyone. Now it's your turn to practice.
We have some questions for you. Think about your answers.
Question 1. What time do you wake up every day?
Question 2. What do you eat for breakfast?
Question 3. What time do you start work or school?
Question 4. What do you do in the evening?
Take your time. Think slowly. You can even say your answers out loud.
Talking out loud is great practice, even at home alone.
Don't be shy. Nobody is listening.
Practice makes perfect.
Now let's review our key phrases. I'll say them slowly. Repeat after me.
This part is very important. Listen carefully.
Phrase 1. I wake up at 7 o'clock. Say it slowly with me. I wake up at 7 o'clock.
I wake up at 7 o'clock. Good.
Phrase 2. I usually eat eggs for breakfast. I usually eat eggs for breakfast.
I usually eat yogurt for breakfast. Try your version.
Phrase 3. I start work at 9 in the morning. I start work at 9 in the morning.
I start school at 9 in the morning. Same time.
Phrase 4. In the afternoon, I usually read. In the afternoon, I usually read.
In the afternoon, I usually study or draw.
Phrase 5. For dinner, I usually make pasta. For dinner, I usually make pasta.
That one is mine. For dinner, I usually make pasta.
Phrase 6. I go to bed at 10:30. I go to bed at 10:30.
I go to bed at 11, a little later.
Phrase 7. My daily routine is simple, but I like it. My daily routine is simple, but I like it.
That's a beautiful sentence. My daily routine is simple, but I like it.
These phrases are very useful. Use them every day. Wow, we talked a lot today. Great episode, Darcy.
Yes, I loved it. We talked about so many things.
Let's do a quick summary. We talked about waking up,
Morning habits, breakfast,
work and school,
lunch,
afternoon activities,
dinner.
bedtime.
That's a full day.
Yes, and now you have the words and phrases to talk about your day.
Here is a tip for you. Every morning, try to say your routine in English.
Just say it out loud. I wake up at 7. I eat toast. I go to work.
Simple sentences. That's enough. That's perfect.
The more you say it, the more natural it becomes.
And write your routine in English in a notebook. That also helps a lot.
Great idea. Writing and speaking together. Very powerful.
And now, our question for you.
We want to know, what is your morning routine?
Write it in the comments below. We love reading them.
Tell us, what time do you wake up? What do you eat for breakfast?
We will read every comment, we promise.
Okay, friends, that's all for today.
Thank you so much for listening. You did great today.
If you enjoyed this episode, please give it a thumbs up.
And subscribe so you don't miss our next video.
See you next time. Take care, everyone.
Bye-bye. Keep practicing. You're doing amazing.
We'll see you soon. Goodbye.